Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Working President jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka Deborah Marak. Habakren ba kinong tho kubor ha Congress Bhavan, kaloong ba kam sngaw yahap ya ka jingrai, bat penbena ka sorkar ya ka jing Pynjlan, ya ka Samoi Treikam ka Ghadc, sa Hendrew Banai, bat ya ka jing Pinkanria ya ka Ilekshon MDC. Kani kanong yalam ka Congress kaloong ba ka jing Pinkanria tarik ya ka election ka dayna ka daw, ba ka NPP ka Tieng yo kan kalem, bat bakan omla abantaw ya ka EC ha Ghadc. Kalabenrap da kabaong baka sorkar ka David ban penlong ya ka election, namartang ha Shayam Nagar constituency, bat Bala Chanda constituency ki Bashakta.
So we would like to react on that. We never endorse, and 6 long month extension is very long. We don't agree to that. And what is the need to prolong 6 months? They could have suspended Samnagar and Palachanda. These two constituencies, for the time being, they should have suspended and allow election to happen. New EC will come and they will decide, and they will find out the new mechanism, the good mechanism, how to solve this ongoing problem. See, I will definitely support whatever Achik people, the Garo demands, and we will definitely support Chief Minister. We should have called all party meetings. He did not do it. We could have given him some input, some suggestions how to go about it. We would have said definitely to suspend these two constituencies, Samnagar and Balachanda. But he did not. He has taken decision of his own.
So what do the Congress think the best way forward?
For our Congress party, we would have said, suspend these two constituencies, as I have said, for the time being, and allow others constituency to hold an election. That's it.